I'm currently in Japan, Tokyo, and I used the chance to finally buy a traveler's journey notebook, and I just set it up for my next trip, let's say. So I got this little charm here, which I really like. It says like travel to the world from Japan. That's nice, with Mount Fuji. That's cool. And it's a blue. It's passport size, so it's not that big. But I like the small size, and I can show you what I put in for now. So I got this cardboard holder, and this is a surprise from my girlfriend. She was with me there, and she knew how excited I was for this book, so she bought me this one. And it's all about love, so that is really nice. And I decided to put it here in the front so that I can always see it and take it out and smile. Then I get the, like plastic for 2 cards, and in the back it has this zipper pocket, like you know it from other things. And then you can put in loose stuff here. I like this is the other side from the cardboard, gives me room for some things. And then I have 3 books now. So this is a normal one. The front page goes into the plastic here. And this is just a small short trip, 32 pages, because we do a camper trip for the next 16 days, or starting on the 25th. So yeah, I bought that one, and I want to make a logbook of our trip. And then I have a permanent one, normal white one. For the color, this is cream, right? And this is a normal MD paper, 64 pages that came with the blue passport leather thing. So that stays in the middle forever. And then there is this one, which is 80 pages thin, and it is thin and perforated, so these pages can be ripped out, which I like. But because of this string that is holding it in, I guess I'm gonna start to write from the middle to the outside, so that I can then always rip out the middle page, and it will not be held only by the front page one day. So that's my idea about that. And that is what I have in it now. And the advantage of the thingy my girlfriend gave me is that on the rear there's also like a ruler and some squares, and then the 80-page rip-out version is look-through, because it's a thin paper, it's ultralight paper, and that helps so that I can use the squares if I need them for some drawings or whatever. Maybe you know, maybe you have one as well. Maybe you know what this one is. It is coming with it. I don't know exactly what it is, because I didn't read the manual yet or looked at the website. I guess it might be something like a bookmark that you can use. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to use for the trip now. I also bought a really nice pen, which I don't have here. It's in my sling bag. But I bought that yesterday already. It's a Pilot 2+1 in red wood. Really nice. If I ever make another video about this, then I might show the pen as well. And this is like spares that I bought. So the rubber band to keep more books in one. Then the golden one came with it, but I stick with the blue one. And then it's just another red one. It's another short trip, not in cream, in normal color and white. And it's another 80 pages to rip off, because these are pretty cheap in Japan. And in Europe, they are not so cheap. And then this is the fabric bag that came with the journal. Yeah, that's it. Pretty short video. And yeah, I hope that this is a good companion for the next years. And if it's getting relevant, or if you have questions, I'm gonna make another video about this one as well.